how to look like a genius. Yes, as a public speaker, if you want to look different, if you want to sound different, so pull out your secret slide, which is very different from the rest of the presentation. Yes, you have to prepare a slide which is very, very different, and it is unique from the rest of the presentation. It is not at all connected with that. Okay, so what can be that secret slide is what I'm going to discuss with you today. Number one, it can be a normal extra value addition to the audience from which the audience can benefit. Number two, it can be your biggest achievement from where people get inspired. Okay. Number three, it can be a simple picture, you sitting with your daughter or son, that talks a lot about how much you love them, how much you love him or her, and whatever you're doing today is for them.